We'll guide you through how to use a PDF into PPT in Claude AI. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To use a PDF into PPT in Claude AI, start by opening your browser and waiting for it to fully load. After the browser is ready, move your cursor to the search bar at the top of the screen and left-click it so you can type. Inside the search bar, type the word Claude and then press Enter on your keyboard to search for it. Wait until the web results fully appear on the screen before continuing. Once the results are visible, select the top option so the main Claude page can open in your browser. After the page loads, log in or sign into Claude using your email account so you can access the workspace. When you are fully logged in, look for the prompt bar inside the Claude interface. Left-click the prompt bar so you can begin typing your request. Inside the prompt bar, type "Create a PDF about" your topic choice, and replace the topic section with the subject you want to turn into a PowerPoint presentation later. For example, you can request a PDF about technology, school lessons, business ideas, or tutorials. After typing the prompt, send it, and let Claude generate the PDF first before moving to the next step. Wait until the AI fully creates the PDF content and displays the result on the screen. When the generation is complete, look at the right side of the interface where the result bar is located. Review the PDF carefully to make sure the information looks correct and complete before turning it into a presentation file. If everything looks fine, go back to the prompt bar again and left-click it to enter another request. This time, type the prompt, turn it into PPT to change it to PPT format. After typing the request, press Enter on your keyboard to start the conversion process. Wait for the AI to fully generate the PPT version of the document. Depending on the amount of content, the generation may take a few moments. Once the PPT file is ready, look to the left side of the interface where the download option is located. Select the download button so the PowerPoint file can begin downloading to your device. Wait until the download process is complete before opening the file. After the file finishes downloading, go to the folder where the file was saved and open it to see the final result.